David Beckham has admitted he feels gutted after Storm Henk caused devastation around his family's home in the Cotswolds. Storm Henk has brought winds of almost 100 miles per hour to the UK alongside torrential rainfall and claimed one life in the past few days. Now, hundreds of flood warnings, including danger to life alerts, have been mapped across England with swathes of the country sitting underwater. The Beckham residence has been on the receiving end too, meanwhile, with former England captain David taking to Instagram on Wednesday to share a snap of the damage. The shot showed a fallen tree on the grounds of the stunning property after it was battered by wind. Becks, 48, captioned the image, "Could have been worse. Still gutted." He appeared to get over the disappointment relatively quickly, however, returning to his story to post his present from Victoria, a new coup with several chickens. Unveiling her unusual gift on Christmas Day, Posh exclaimed, "He got some chickens." David could be heard saying, "And a cockerel," as Victoria continued, "Some Beckham chickens," and zoomed in on the birds. She continued, "Chickens, actually Terry's a massive CK in there as well." What to get David Beckham for Christmas? They are a bit camera shy, these chickens and the CK. Fans were left in hysterics at Victoria's comment, as one said, "Victoria has such amazing sense of humor, love it." Another added, "This is going to be a trending soundbite, Victoria." It comes after Victoria shared a glimpse into her family's lavish New Year's Eve celebrations on Sunday in new family pictures. The fashion designer, 49, took to her Instagram page to post a few snaps of the Beckham family's lavish dinner at a lavish restaurant. The entire family, bar son Brooklyn Beckham and his wife Nicola Peltz, were at the swanky dinner as they enjoyed glasses of wine and lit up sparklers. In one snap, Victoria and David pulled out their best model pose on the staircase. Victoria stood behind David as she wrapped her arms around him. She looked gorgeous in a form-fitting emerald green backless dress. Her hair was straightened into a simple style and she accessorized with a pair of earrings. David looked dapper in a navy blue suit and a pair of aviator sunglasses. Victoria also shared pictures of everyone enjoying drinks at the dinner table. Romeo's girlfriend Mimi Regan was also at the celebratory event, whilst further pics showed David and daughter Harper posing lovingly together. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube and Threads.